everyone. Listen to those birds. It's hot out here. 80, but really strong sun, which is what's making it feel hot. I'm walking back from the beach through the neighborhood. We are staying right inside the gates, only a couple houses in, which is wonderful for all the walks we take into town. And multiple times a day we're like, oh, it's so nice being so close to town, because you really only go to the beach once a day, and they have parking down there. You get a little parking pass. So the Jeep is parked back there. They already knew I was planning to stay an hour-ish. I don't know how long I was there. But yeah, it's like the worst day of my period. So I was planning to head back and deal with that. But Jax is also waiting for me to take a walk. So, gonna be in this heat some more. I'll change out of this rash guard, which is a little hot. I'm gonna be walking past landscapers and somebody else. I'll just let you enjoy the view for a sec. So, have we talked today? I don't know. But yesterday we were wanting to go to this place called Art's Place for breakfast. But it was 10:30 and they stopped serving breakfast at 10:45. So the plan was to get going early enough for that. So everybody but Jackson and Yvonne rallied for that. We had breakfast, green turtle. Cute. All the houses have names. And then came home. Danny went to start the second puzzle. And I finished my second book. And since nobody in Duck has book 3, I had to buy a Kindle copy, which I just don't love on vacation. I like paper books on vacation, especially at the beach. So I was reading book 3 on my phone, which is now super toasty hot. It's not the same as paper book. I do a mix of buying books, borrowing books, thrifting books, and Kindle books. Kindle's probably the best for the environment, but it's just not the same. We stayed at that house down that long driveway a couple years ago, I think. I don't know how many. Might have been before the pandemic. Right before. But yeah, I read and did a tiny bit of crochet. Just been wanting to read. It's been nice. Chelsea's ours. I'm not used to seeing it without our Jeep, so hopefully I don't walk by it. I know the house number. Okay, I'm not there yet. So I busied myself cutting up the rest of the watermelon, and then we packed up the Jeep and headed to the beach. I stayed there until the spot they had me in was losing its shade. It's really only room for 2 people. Kind of behind Yvonne, but it's all good. As I said, I wasn't planning to stay, but I'm gonna go home, figure out if I want to put my leggings back on or wear shorts. I'm not a shorts person. Yesterday I wore like biker shorts all day with a dress over it, like a short dress. That's usually as close as I get. I'm not a shorts person. I don't know what else to say about it. It's weird, and I especially don't like sitting my naked legs on surfaces that other people have sat on, or even hard surfaces at home. I like to sit on a blanket on a couch because I don't like couch feeling. It's weird with textures, I guess. So I'll get changed and head back out in the seat. Maybe get another smoothie bowl, acai bowl, because it's vacation, and why not? Okay, bye for now. Everyone, it's time to say goodnight. I just got Sebastian showered and we did our best to get the sand off. I think there's still a little bit in a couple nooks and crannies, but ears are tricky. Other places can be tricky. We went out to a kind of Mexican-ish place, Bad Bean tacos or something. I don't know what it was. Bean bar, I don't know what. We've been to it a bunch of times in various locations. I think this is the first time we've gone in this location, but it was good. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing as we usually do until later if we rally and play games. So we'll see if we do. But I wanted to say goodnight so I could edit this and get it going. I've had really good internet until last night. It completely went out. But we were up late playing anyway. I had already gotten it uploaded. I didn't get it live on time, but I could have done that over my cellular. It's just we were playing Cards Against Humanity, so it should be fine. But good night, everyone. Stay safe, be kind, and don't forget, wash your hands.